Why are boat Seacock bonding systems important? Imagine sailing along and suddenly noticing a strange smell or a small leak coming from below the waterline. It might seem minor, but it could be a sign of a bigger problem. That's where Seacock bonding systems come into play. They are a key part of keeping your boat safe and in good shape. Seacocks are valves attached to the hull that control water flow for things like sinks, toilets, and engine cooling systems. Because they are made of metal and sit below the waterline, they are constantly exposed to seawater, which is very conductive and can cause corrosion. The bonding system is a network of wires that connects all these underwater metal parts together. It also connects them to a sacrificial anode, usually made of zinc or aluminum. The main goal of bonding these metals is to prevent two types of corrosion: stray current corrosion and galvanic corrosion. Stray current corrosion happens when electrical currents from onboard systems accidentally leak into the water and cause metal parts to corrode quickly. If a wire touches water or a metal part, it can send electricity through the water, damaging your propeller or shaft in just days. A proper bonding system gives this stray current a safe path back to the boat's ground, stopping the damage. Galvanic corrosion occurs when different metals are connected in seawater. The more active metal, like aluminum or bronze, will corrode faster to protect the less active metal, like stainless steel. Bonding all underwater metals together and attaching them to a sacrificial anode makes sure the anode takes the brunt of the corrosion. The anode sacrifices itself, protecting the more important or expensive parts of your boat. That's why boats have zinc or aluminum anodes bolted to the hull or struck. They are designed to corrode first and save the rest of the metal parts. Bonding also helps keep everyone safe. If there is an electrical fault in an appliance, the bonding system makes sure all metal parts, including Seacocks, stay at the same voltage. This reduces the risk of electric shocks if someone touches a metal part that has become energized. The fault current will have a safe path to trip the circuit breaker, preventing injury. Maintaining the bonding system is part of good boat care. Over time, connections can loosen or corrode, wires can break, and anodes can wear down. Regular checks ensure the system is working well. If you neglect it, corrosion can weaken Seacocks and fittings, leading to leaks or even dangerous failures. Replacing a worn anode is simple and much cheaper than fixing a damaged propeller or shaft. It's important to remember that bonding only protects metals immersed in seawater. Internal cooling systems of engines and generators have their own anodes because they are separate from the water outside the hull. Even on boats made of fiberglass, bonding underwater metals is necessary because the metals themselves are prone to corrosion, not the hull material. For boat owners, this means inspecting all Seacocks and fittings regularly. Make sure connections are clean and tight. Check the condition of sacrificial anodes and replace them when they are about half gone. When you haul out the boat, look for corrosion or damage in the bonding wires. If you add new underwater metal parts, connect them to the bonding system. And if you notice electrical issues, fix them promptly to prevent stray current problems. In the end, Seacock bonding systems are vital because they prevent rapid corrosion, protect your boat's structural parts, and help keep everyone on board safe. Keeping this system in good shape is a smart move that saves money and ensures your boat remains seaworthy for many adventures ahead.